tired? Get some rest. Get some rest and we go home soon. Very, very soon, yeah? Very soon. No, stay there. Get some rest a while. It's too hot. Yeah, it's too hot, I know. Mainit nga. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Dito sa place na to maraming niknik at lamok kapag hindi mainit. Yan, tingnan nyo yung sikat ng araw. Sikat ng araw. Very blue thing. Hindi ko alam kung anong kakainin ko. But I will eat light food. May egg pa ako doon and then fruit. Bibili lang ako ng avocado. I want avocado. Avocado and some nuts maybe. Some green. Avocado and lettuce. Yeah, I guess avocado and lettuce is fine. Dadaan ako mamaya ng pang salad. Well, good. Let me know if you're okay. If you're okay, then we can walk. You lift up your paws, so it means the ground is wet, hot. Yeah? You lift up your paws. Yung hingal mo, oh. Let me know if you're ready to go again. Pero at least dyan may shed. May shed. There is a shed a bit, so it's okay. You can just run and yeah. But if you still want to hang out, then you can sit over here. Can I sit too? Can I sit beside you? Hey, Bo. Can I sit beside you? Babes. Are you boyish? Someone call you boy? Because your leash is blue. Your mommy didn't buy you like pinky or purple. Pero hindi kasi mag-match. Hindi mag-match na kulay niya. Si Ibi nga, ano rin eh, yung aqua, tortoise na green at saka orange. Yun ang mag-fit sa ano niya. Binilhan din ito ng gray before pero parang hindi rin maganda. Let's go? You ready to go? Huh? Let's go na. Hop out. Come on, let's go. There you go. Uy na tayo, quick. Masakit kasi itong tuhod ko. Ay, ano ba yan? Thigh ko. Masakit pa din, grabe. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go. At least may shed na dito banda. May shed na dito banda. Kaya, pwede na. Come on. The other side, buddy. No. We're not going there. It's hot. Come on, this way. Come on, up. Up this way. Up this way. Yung hagdanan masyadong mataas. Dali. Quick. Quick, quick, quick. Quick. Kasi mainit. Ang ganda nitong cotton tree kapag ka namulaklak eh. Pero sa ngayon wala. Tapos na ang autumn. No, we're not going there. Remember, Randy is not living there no more. Randy moved to Argenta. Come on. Come on. Hey, quick. Quick, 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 quick. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's ang hagdanan. Come on, buddy. Yan yung kataas yung hagdanan. Pero okay lang kasi shed naman na. At least nakapian ko na siya. So, yes. Nakapian ko na siya. That's all. You're good? Yeah? All good? Hey, hey, all good? All good. No, we're not going there. We're not. Come on. This way, this way. quick. No, not this, not that side, this side. This side only. Yeah. Go. Yan kami galing. O, diba? Ano lang. Alright. Nope. Go straight.